All thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
And here we go in match number 6. Remember, we will be going through match number 12 this evening and then going to the team social afterwards. As what you're seeing right now is what the human players have programmed the bots to do, even if it's just sit on the bottom of the ocean and study the ocean currents. Now the human players have control as 36-35 is at the reef, trying to clean the algae off of the reef so they can place the coral in that location. They want the coral to be as clean as possible. They want the reef to grow as much as it possibly can. 33-29 placing coral high atop the reef. That's worth 5 points right now as 10-4-82 drops one off into the trough. For the Red Alliance, it's 43-10 with a minute 46 left to go. 36-35 drops one on the center branch. That's worth 4 points for the Blue Alliance as they strive to rebuild that reef. The Blue Alliance processing algae. Another piece of algae up there. Each time they process that algae in the net high atop the barge, it's worth 4 points. And there goes another piece of coral high atop the reef on the Red Alliance for 5 points. 60-23 to disc bots, pulling that algae off of the reef, cleaning that reef off so they can place that coral on there. There's another piece by the Red Alliance as it's 72-26 with a minute 12 left to go. 60-23, that's the disc bots. Another piece of algae coming off of the reef as they head towards the net, the barge. They're going to try to process that algae, and they get it successfully in there. Another 4 points for the Blue Alliance. It's now 80-34 with 51 seconds left to go. Make that 80-38 as 10-4-82 is at the reef, trying to place it in the trough. It falls off of the trough, down the side of the trench to the bottom, 7 miles deep in the Marianas Trench. And there they are. 60-23, the disc bots scoring another 4 points for the Blue Alliance, processing that algae in the net. We're down to 28 seconds left to go in this match as 10-40-4-82 approaches the barge zone. Another piece of algae processed by the disc bots. 36-35, the Flying Legion flying around the bottom of the ocean floor, headed back towards the coral reef. They've got coral in their possession, dropping it onto the reef. It looks like it fell into the trough. That's worth 2 points as 33-29 gets hung up. It's slippery in that algae. They're slipping and sliding on it. And that's the end of the match as 10-4-82 could possibly be up off of the ocean floor for 12 points at their alliance. All right, here we go in match number 6. The fish are going to be swimming on the reef. It's the Red Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 104 to 65. 104 to 65 in match number 6 as the Red Alliance gains 3 ranking points for the victory. They also gained 1 ranking point for completing the autonomous task of moving all of their bots off of the starting line and scoring at least 1 piece of coral.